Annually, the abundance of excellent TV series available on different networks and streaming platforms makes it challenging to keep up due to time constraints. As a result, the speaker is set to reveal their top 5 TV shows currently worth watching, featuring the latest episodes released since last year's video. Let's get started and explore these impressive TV series. Number 5. Rabbit Hole. Rabbit Hole is a gripping spy thriller available on Paramount+, starring Kiefer Sutherland in his best role since 24. He portrays John Weir, a skilled corporate spy known for deception and causing havoc in others' lives. In the premiere season, Weir gets entangled in a cat-and-mouse game with powerful forces after being framed for a murder he didn't commit. The show features a strong supporting cast and numerous plot twists that keep viewers engaged. As of now, there's no official confirmation from Paramount Plus about a potential second season for Rabbit Hole. Number 4. Tulsa King. Tulsa King is another compelling series on Paramount Plus, a mafia crime drama crafted by Taylor Sheridan, the mastermind behind Yellowstone. The show features Sylvester Stallone as a captivating mafia captain, released from prison to establish a criminal organization in Tulsa, Oklahoma, under the orders of his boss. With its fast-paced narrative and Stallone's stellar performance, Tulsa King delivers an engrossing viewing experience. The good news is that Paramount Plus has already renewed the series for a second season. Number 3. Succession. Succession is a satirical comedy drama airing on HBO, centering around the Roy family, owners of a global media and entertainment empire. The show portrays their intense power struggle for control of the company, especially amidst the uncertain health of their patriarch, Logan Roy, skillfully portrayed by Brian Cox. Supported by a fantastic ensemble cast, the series boasts top-notch writing and is thoroughly addictive to watch. Recently, Succession concluded its 4th and final season, although it didn't quite match the excellence of its predecessors. Nevertheless, all 4 seasons are available on the streaming service Max, previously known as HBO Max. Number 2. Justified. City Primeval. City Primeval is an American Western crime drama airing on FX Network, and you can also find its episodes on Hulu. The series follows the story of Deputy U.S. Marshal Raylan Givens, reprised by Timothy Olyphant, continuing from the beloved show Justified. In the new narrative, Raylan has left Kentucky and is now living in Miami, raising his daughter while pursuing a dangerous sociopath in Detroit, Michigan. As of the video's recording, the show continues to captivate viewers, and fans of Justified will be delighted by this welcomed return in City Primeval. Number 1. Warrior. Warrior is an enthralling martial arts crime drama, conceived from an original idea by Bruce Lee and brought to life by Jonathan Tropper, who also created the beloved show Banshee. Set in San Francisco during the latter half of the 1800 seconds, the series follows a skilled martial arts prodigy who immigrates from China to find his sister. Shortly after his arrival, he becomes a key enforcer for one of Chinatown's most influential organized crime families. While the show may start a bit slow, it quickly gains momentum, delivering an exceptional viewing experience with its rapid pacing and action-packed scenes. As each new season unfolds, Warrior elevates its performance, leaving viewers eagerly anticipating more. All 3 seasons are currently accessible on Max. However, there has been no confirmation yet regarding a potential 4th season for Warrior. Thank you for joining us as we explored some of the best TV shows currently available for your viewing pleasure. With so many outstanding series to choose from, we hope our recommendations have made your decision a little easier. Whether you're into spy thrillers, mafia crime dramas, satirical comedies, or martial arts action, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Stay tuned for more exciting content and updates on your favorite TV shows. Until next time, happy watching.